Go ahead, counsel.
Judge, you're here today for violation of probation. The defendant is aware he's got a right to hearing. Essentially, he's been here before the judge. Last time he was here, he was told he had to take care of some days in the work program. He was able to do so. I have looked at some text messages from his work indicating they were going to fire him back in December if he missed work. He didn't miss work, he missed the work program. Judge is here today. He no longer has that job. He's got plenty of time to do the work program. We're hopeful that you might consider that as an alternative to jail. Given that he's no longer working, he can clear that up ASAP. Am I correct in saying that, sir? Yes, sir.
Why'd you lose the job?
To me, I just feel like my boss was too entitled. That was only my second time calling off, but she had that man with me.
Why'd you call off?
I can't remember what I called off for.
This started out as a felony charge. You understand that? Mr. Black, I don't think I'm doing you a favor not putting you in jail. I think I should put you in jail. Because I don't think you understand the bullet you dodged when you got a misdemeanor plea. So you're standing here facing jail time, and you lost the job anyhow. You're not making good decisions, bro. Where was the job at?
Sure.
What were you doing?
Merch manager.
Who manager?
Merch manager.
How long were you there?
7 months.
How old are you? Where'd you go to high school? Graduate? What was your GPA?
25.
What's your long range plan?
What's sales rep going into like marketing and all that and everything, but they end up letting me go because of my background check. Yes.
What came up? You got some felony record?
It's okay.
This one?
Yes, please.
And where you live?
Detroit.
We still got a Taylor address. Is that a good mailing address?
Oh wait, yeah, that's still my.
Grandma's a good mailing address? Do you have a driver's license? Why not? Why? Too many points? When can you get it back?
Yeah, Your Honor, with his girlfriend, I believe he does have some family support. They are aware of this to a certain extent.
Mr. Black, I feel like I need to have you come in here once a week just so I can mentor you. How old are you? Dude. You can't accomplish much without driving privileges in the state. You know, we ain't in Chicago where you can take buses everywhere. And you don't know what it takes to get your license back?
No, I think I have to just pay off my tickets.
I think one more.
All right, so first of all, I'm not putting you in jail today. I stress today. I might still put you in jail, but not today. I'm going to give you some work program. I'm going to penalize you. I'm going to give you 4 days. You're going to have to finish the 4 days on the work program. If you do that, then I'm done with you. You don't owe us any money, right?
You didn't charge him.
Yeah, yeah. You walked into my courtroom with a felony charge on your record. You walked out and didn't even owe any money. You don't understand what a gift you get. The prosecutor gave you a gift. I gave you a gift.
Your Honor, he was also ordered to engage in anger management as well.
And that didn't happen either?
We had him or told him to provide documentation by January 5th, and he failed to do so.
Did you do any anger management?
Not, Your Honor.
Why? What? You're not working? What? Seriously, tell me what's going on. What's stressing you out, dude?
bring her.
What, you don't have stable housing?
She's about 2 weeks ago, just got stable housing.
All right, so you didn't have stable housing. All right. Brother, you need a job.
They could hear us.
Do you consider a review date a couple of weeks out with a number of hoops to jump through between now and then?
I want to get him a job, but I can't get him transportation.
And I was gonna reference that license judge, maybe take a look at his driving record, see what's going on, try to get it in the right direction as it relates to that as well.
Listen to me. Yes, I'm going to give you some time. Hear my heart. I want to help you because I don't want you spending time in places like this 5 years down the road. All right, February 12th.
Are you heading work program, Judge?
I am.
So is he doing 8 days or just 4 days?
How many were you ordered to do originally? How many has he done?
He has done 2 days till,
So he walked in the door owing us 2.
he was ordered 4 days, he's completed 2.
All right, so you're going to do 4. I'm penalizing you 2 days. All right, so get a plan in place for the anger management. Finish the 4 days in the work program as scheduled. Don't call and say, I got to reschedule one of my 4. Whatever you walk out of here today, whatever 4 days you pick today, those are the days you're going to do. Yes? Okay. We'll talk on February 12th. I would suggest between now and February 12th, go to the Secretary of State and find out what you need to get on the road legally. All right? And when I say I want to get you a job, dude, I have people that will hire you if you'll show up and work every day you're scheduled. I got their cards up here on my bench. But you got to show up and you don't call in because you got a sniffle, right? You grab a box of Kleenex and you go to work. If you're willing to make some life changes, I'm willing to put myself out there to help you. Are you listening to me? But man, you got to start making good decisions. You're 21, so you only got a couple more years where you can use young and dumb as an excuse for doing things wrong. But when you're 30, you can't keep saying, well, you know. And I've never walked in your shoes, brother. And if you feel like I'm being dismissive, I don't know what you've gone through. I have no idea, and I don't care right now because I know tomorrow's a new day for you. And I'll help you change things if you'll work with me. So February 12th, 2026, 1 p.m. was it?
Yes.
All right. And get your attorney's phone number.
I appreciate it.
Good luck. Oh, he does owe us some money on something else, though. Expired license and speeding tickets. My paperwork says you owe us $642. Are you in a position to make any kind of payment plan on that?
And $50 a week.
Can you pay that? You sure? I'll tell you what. Everybody out there, raise your hand if you owe the court money. Cover your ears. I don't want you to hear this. I'll hold off on this until we get a plan so we know what has to be done on your license.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. Next one.
Tony Whitted.
I'm sorry, Whitted?
WHITTED.
Got it.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Tim Kuhn on behalf of the defense. Standing my last statement name again, ma'am.
Tony Whitted.
Judge, I'm here today for a show of cause.
What do I got here? So I've got a double parking, expired license, and a no insurance, right? Okay.
Correct, Judge. I think we're here on the violation of the payment plan. Is that correct?
Yes, on the payment plan. So this particular case that the hearing is for, there's a balance of $15.
Well, excuse me. It's for all three.
It's all of them.
Yeah, all three.
together.
So what our record shows you currently owe on all three, I don't know what the breakdown is $435. Does that fit what you've got?
Yes.
Yeah, that,
Okay. All right. So we gave you the option to do 29 hours of community service.
This courtroom moment shows something people rarely notice about the justice system. Sometimes a judge isn't just there to punish, but to wake someone up before it's too late. The defendant walked into court facing serious consequences after wasting multiple chances, yet the judge still chose accountability over immediate jail. But second chances only matter if someone actually uses them. The real question now is whether this young man will take the judge's advice, finish the work program, and rebuild his life, or end up right back in the same courtroom again. What do you think? Was the judge being too lenient, or giving the exact kind of second chance this defendant needed?